Would you trust a 3D printed chin mount?
Today I'm going to show you how I install a chin mount onto my Airoh Commander adventure helmet. For this, you're going to need some 3M adhesive tape, chin mount, and a camera. Now, I've already cut the 3M tape into the right size that'll fit inside the inner lining of chin mount. This specific chin mount is 3D printed using PETG, and it is specifically for the Airoh Commander, where it sits on the bottom. As you can see next to me, I also have a full face helmet. This one I've had for a couple of years, and this has actually got a wraparound chin mount, which also has 3M tape on the inside. The key to making this work properly is to use proper 3M tape and make sure that both surfaces on the chin mount itself and on the helmet are clean. I'm now going to add the 3M tape to the inside of the chin mount. And we're going to apply pressure just for 10 seconds or so to make sure that it sticks properly. The next step is positioning it on the helmet to make sure that you've got it aligned properly. As I've mentioned before, this one is actually 3D printed specifically for the Airoh Commander 1, not the new one, and it fits on the chin precisely, which will give you a level view once it's mounted. Once you're happy with your placement, you can go ahead and take the other side of the 3M tape off and then press it firmly into place. Once you're happy with the position, press firmly down onto the helmet. Hold it for about 30 to 40 seconds to make sure it adheres properly. And there we have it. The new chin mount is on the Airoh, and I'll go ahead and mount up the camera quickly and give you a side-by-side comparison to the Boost full face helmet. And there you have it, folks. A chin mount on the Airoh was not as easy as I thought it was. I did have to apply a second layer of 3M tape. The angles are a lot different on the sharper chins. That's what makes it so easy on the full face helmet. Is it, as you can see, is a big wraparound chin mount all the way around, and you don't have to worry about angles as much. Whereas on the sharp edges, you really gotta get your angles right. And yeah, when in doubt, use more tape. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.